We have a common issue regarding making quotation, although it is related on interior or any other such as construction work, where must be will need to be make quotation look so professional while we are getting our clients. So it is very essential to make a professional quotation. So right now I'm going to show you a quotation which is looks so professional, and you can follow the step but I did it right now uh, for making the quotations. So for the professional quotation, you need to be do some steps like if you are working, so you should have a business. Okay, what is the business name of your business? Like here is the this is Microsoft Word. These tools actually I'm using for making the professional quotations. So you've seen the header. You can use here your business logo or company logo, what you have. So I have some sample that I'll show you right now. There is, you can see that. So you see, this is actually our company. So I'm here making, using this logo. That is our business logo. So yeah. So next step, see, I make this. So see is the quotation number. This is the documents number as you can use for your business. Like for example, anything else like 100. Yeah, this is the number. What is number? Documents serial number of your company. You can follow the step. Then you can put there to customer. I can written here is example for customer. In the customer step, you should mention the customer name like anything. So customer name could be Mr. Mr. Hamad's or anything else. What is the customer name? Put there. Then you should be put location of the of where you are working. So I put location there, and also you can add there. Okay. So also you can add here your company mobile number, or you can also use in downside. So now so I'm not going to read my mobile number there. I'm most of them I'm following to write down in the downside. So yeah, now we need to be right subject of the quotations. Like these quotations, yeah. See, these quotations is like quotation offer letter for maintenance and renovation works bill. So I just what is the quotation actually? Sometimes if you are working as a renovation work, so you should follow the renovation work type, or if you are working some new working, so you put the new working like making new villa, quotation offer later for the making new villa or new room or new bathroom, new kitchen, such like that. Then you should mention something, like you're showing respect to them, like we are pleased to providing quotations. So subject, then you can see uh, this is the quotation. This is the quotation. So how you make this after writing the subject, you can put there, go on the drawing, insert menu, table menu. You can put also Excel sheet here. If you wish to put here Excel sheet, you make your own. Or if you think that no, yeah, Yeah, see, you can put there. Yes, you can put Excel sheet there. What have in the table format? I'm using that. But if you think that Excel is good, then you can use Excel. So right now, this is I think four. Yeah, we make this. There you should be written serial number. So details of work, serial number would be smaller. Details of work, or you can write here type of work, and then material description, then area where should be, it could be living room, bathroom, or any access place. So you can put that there. Also, see, you can should also mention the amount or remarks is essential. So you can hear uh, remarks. Anything must be. Sometimes you need to be written something essential. So here you are using remarks, so you can write anything. Then amount. What is the amount you put? Then you can here coming here. After that, total amount. Okay. So yeah. So this step processing, you just make this quotation. Okay. So after that making, if you need think that you need to be color, you can use sometime color. Since this is I'm showing you. So yeah, it is the table of previously I used. You can see this is also table, but I had the you know border color, so it's hidden. After that, you make the total how much details you can return. See, pipe work, pipe joints in the bathroom. This quotation actually, our people they requested not mention the money on there. They actually total amount are showing there. That is 53,000 Qatar Riyal. And there after the amount of money, you should be mentioned terms and conditions. See it all the electric meter provided by first party or bill owner, and all accessories given by Sharp Mixer, something like that. And after that, thank you for business with us, and best regards. Operations manager number are put in after downside. You should be given the details of the company. So this format I also given in the video description. You can download this format for the practice, and also you can reuse this format if you are needed. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope so we'll meet another new video. Until then, tata, bye bye.